So how do you report a repetitive motion injury? Hello, my name is Ty Wilson. I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney practicing law in the state of Georgia. And our video topic for today is, how do you report a repetitive motion injury? Well, most injuries are an event that occurs or an injury that happens, such as lifting something and you feel a pop in your back and all of a sudden you have all this pain. That would be an event that occurred that caused the injury. Whereas a repetitive motion injury, a little trickier, is where you're moving the same body part in the same direction, and gradually over time it gets worse and worse and worse. Our suggestion is, once you get to the point where you're feeling a great deal of pain, you need to report it to your supervisor and or boss. You need to ask them for medical care as it relates to your injury and see if in fact they will give you medical care. Some employers will not, some employers will. If they will, seek medical care, let them know what you were doing, exactly what your job functions are and how you were doing it, and let them know what kind of pain you're in as a result of that. They will determine, do they believe that this is work-related or not work-related, and on you go. The important part is that once you start feeling the pain and it's not going away, we all have different types of general soreness from doing something. However, if the pain is reoccurring over and over and getting worse and worse, you need to report that to your employer. You need to let them know, because that could be an indication that you're about to get into a great deal of pain and not be able to function as an employee. If you don't tell the employer will think that you, one, injured yourself doing something else, two, do not need medical care, and will potentially terminate you if in fact you're a no-show or you can't do the work at the same speed and what have you. And so it's very important that you monitor yourself in the sense of, is the pain getting worse? Do you just need a day or two off? What is the circumstances? If you have any specific questions, always reach out to a Georgia workers' compensation attorney. We hope that answers your question, and we will look for you on the next video.